most of the shoes, it's just cleaning. Just for the J11s, the leather is still okay. We just did glue. For the J12s, tabs was crumbling already, so we replaced them with leather. They can use that for
a long time. Thank you guys. I'm happy. Perfect.
What's up, Soul Game community? So for today's video, kasama natin Sir Gabe Norwood.
What's going on?
For your shoes, we already set it up here. So we're just gonna go through them real quick.
Let's do it.
Okay, so most of the shoes, it's just cleaning, basically. So for kids, it's just cleaning. Just for the J11s, the leather is still okay, intact. We just did glue. And then for the J12s, fortunately, the tabs was crumbling already. So we replaced them with leather.
Okay.
This will not fall apart anymore. They can use that for
a long time
already. And then for your shoes, it's just basically cleaning.
Yeah.
I just cleaned it.
Fresh.
Yeah, fresh. And you can use it again for your rotation.
back to the back to the rotation. I like it. I like it. Thank you guys. I mean, my kids are happy. I'm happy. My wife, this is like my wife's section over here. So perfect.
Right, for the whole family, right?
It's a family business. What's going on, everybody? This is Gabe Norwood coming to you from Sir Gabe Marikina with all my shoe needs, whether it's cleaning, restoration, customization as well. All your needs are right here, so make sure you stop by. And if you're in the neighborhood, get a haircut, grab some coffee, and enjoy yourself.